Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is capacity moment of precast hybrid beam with lightweight concrete. I am Yanuar Setiawan, representing the other research team, namely Mr. Andreas Rudi Hermawan, Mr. Eka Sasmita Mulya, Mr. Suripto, and Mr. Pratikto. First of all, I would like to give you an introduction of precast hybrid concrete beam. What is precast hybrid concrete beam? Precast hybrid concrete beam was explained about using of diversification of two material as normal concrete and lightweight concrete. Precast hybrid concrete beam can reduce of construction cost and construction timing. Based on SNE, lightweight concrete structure have fine aggregate or mixing fine aggregate and cross aggregate and determinate density not more than 1,850 kg per cubic meter. Question of this research is, how about capacity moment of hybrid beam if any load were applied and about deflection occur? Next, I will focus on the research method. This research takes the form of experimental testing of precast hybrid concrete beam specimen. The location for experimental testing was at Bina Teknik Pemukiman and Perumahan, Direktorat Jenderal Cipta Karya, Ministry of PUPR, Cileunyi, Bandung, Indonesia. The sample of this research include two samples of precast hybrid concrete, namely H1 and H2, and one sample of precast concrete conventional beam, namely beam C. All the samples have been tested flexural strength and capacity moment. Also, 5 samples have been tested tensile strength of reinforced bar respectively. Prototype of all specimens made of reinforced and concrete material. Specification of reinforced material has yield strength of 400 MPa with diameter of 13 mm and the stirrup use diameter of 8 mm. Figure 1 shows the type precast hybrid concrete beam specimen. Figure 2 and Figure 3 show precast hybrid beam specimen will be tested, and Figure 4 with showing conventional beam specimen will be tested. The dimension of specimen are length of 2000 mm, width of 115 mm, and height of 215.7 mm. Precast hybrid beam with lightweight concrete use concrete as support and middle of length of precast hybrid beam. The compression strength of normal concrete is 28 MPa and the compression strength of lightweight concrete is 4.96 MPa with density of 1,510 kg per cubic meter. Setting up for loading test of all specimens was referred to ASTM, where loading test was applied at 2 points on top of the specimen. The modeling of all specimens was simple beam with support of a hang and a roll at the edge of all specimens. The universal testing machine was pressured at the top of the specimen. All specimens loaded until all specimens were ruptured or collapsed, then data was noted. Then I will go on to highlight what I see as the main point of result and discussion. For the pattern of crack, all specimens have the same pattern of crack, the same crack due to the moment. This indicated that all specimens have the same behavior. This can be seen in Figure 5, 6, and 7. Result of investigation for all specimens indicated that precast hybrid concrete beam was capable for resistance under surface load. The same with the precast conventional beam. Accordingly, all specimens indicated that the fractional strength and moment could be explained not different because of most slight diversification among them. For flexural strength conventional beam, beam C, at ultimate has value 10.99 ton force at capacity moment 3.3 ton force meter. For flexural strength hybrid beam H1 at ultimate has value 10.66 ton force and capacity moment 3.2 ton force meter. And for flexural strength hybrid beam H2 at ultimate has value 10.84 ton force at capacity moment 3.25 ton force meter. Diversification percentage of flexural strength beam C and beam H1 was not far, only 3.02%, and diversification percentage of flexural strength beam H1 and beam H2 was not far, only 1.74%, and diversification of deflection beam H1 and beam H2 was 4.63 mm. If the average strength of flexural beam H1 and beam H2 was value 10.48 ton force, then by interpolation have result of deflection 30.3 mm is not far from the value deflection of 29.6 mm, only has diversification 0.7 mm or 2.4%. Precast hybrid beam with liquid concrete behave as a normal beam and has enough ductility with delta U per delta Y 3.4 for specimen C, 2.7 for specimen H1, and 3.1 for specimen H2, and could be said all specimens behave in limited ductility. The result of all these specimens are the same of as performance. Finally, in conclusion, we get that the benefit of using precast hybrid concrete beam is more effective for construction than conventional beam in case inside and minimize cost of construction. Cost of all elements will be cheaper and can be applied at location with difficult to maneuver and difficult for availability of material for mixing concrete. I appreciate the opportunity to speak with you today. Thank you. Billahi Taufiq wal Hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.